Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to open up the valve, the exhaust valve of the M Performance exhaust. So obviously use Bimmerlink. You can use this app to open it up. However, the downside is that it only remains open when you have the app active. So you can open up the app or you can open up the valve, but then when you close the app, the valve goes back to auto mode, which it is in normally. So you go to exhaust, open it up, and when you click open, you hear the actuator actually opening up the exhaust valve. And now let's do a cold start with the valve open.